If your vegetables are growing tall stalks instead of staying low to the ground and leafy, it means they are bolting. This means that they are getting ready to bloom and then produce seeds. The roots of root vegetables aren't usable anymore at this stage because the plant is using the root to produce the flowers and seeds, and the root becomes woody. Most of the bolting vegetables can be still used to pick their leaves, such as this arugula. Even radishes still have usable leaves when bolting. Radish leaves actually have medicinal properties that its roots don't have. Link to the video on this is in the description.